You are welcome to my channel Firebase, a channel where you can find any opportunities that goes viral either through the arbitrage or affiliate marketing. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create Wave app, how to open a Wave app for an arbitrage so that you can make a lot of money for yourself. First thing you need to get is to have either any of these countries' SIM card, either Burkina Faso, Cote d'Ivoire, Mali, Senegal, or Gambia. So any of these countries' SIM card can work. So once you have that SIM card, just try to open your Play Store. Once you open your Play Store, search for Wave app. Once you search for Wave app, it's going to give you the bunch of Wave. We have SendWave, we have blah blah blah, we have Wave Pay, but the one we are going to be using is this particular one, the third one, which is Wave Mobile Money. So I've already have it installed in my phone, so I don't need to install now, but that's why in your own case it's going to show you something like installed. So but for me, I've already installed it already, so that's why it shows open. So once you download it, either you're using an Android phone or iPhone user, so you can just go to Apple to download it. So once you download it, you open it. I have like 5 countries that support this particular app. Look at it. We have Burkina Faso, we have Cote d'Ivoire, we have Gambia, we have Mali, Senegal, and Uganda. So any of these countries that you have someone in that particular country, you can just call them to get you the SIM and you register for this particular app. You don't need any verification or submit any document before you can carry out any transaction on this particular app. That's a wisdom of this app. So but for me, I'm in Senegal right now, so I'm going to select Senegal SIM card, Senegal. So once you have any of these countries' number or SIM card, so you just open this particular app. So once you open it, select the country of your choice, either Burkina Faso or Cote d'Ivoire or Gambia or Mali or Senegal or Uganda. Any of these, you can just select anyone you have the same time. So I have Senegal number here. So I'm going to select Senegal. Then I'll put the number. Let me just put the number 768798. So I've input the number. So now you just need to click on next. So once you click on next, they will send a code to that particular number you imputed. So let's just copy the numbers. Just 4 code like that. I will input the number now. So once you input the number sent to that particular number, they will ask you to do what? To write your full name as it is on your ID. Either you are using international passport or normal local ID or any other ID you're using. You can use any ID to verify this, but it's not compulsory because once you get it opened, this Wave will give you limit 200,000 limit per month. You can do transaction between 1,000 server to 200,000 server per month. So you can use that self to carry this particular arbitrage that I'm going to show you in my next video. So you just need to put your full legal name here. So in my own case, I'll just put something like Timothy Gabriel. So your own name will be different with my own. So you understand? Just once you put your legal name, just click on next. They will ask you to create a code, like just a PIN code that whenever you want to open the particular app, you just need to input the code. So you can just create any random code that you feel like you won't forget. So for my own, I will just create one. They say it's very easy, but I love it like that. They will ask you to repeat it again. So you need to reconfirm it. So boom. So it's already open. They've created your wave for you. You can do 200,000 transactions on this particular wave like this without even verify the account. So let me show you the limit here. You click on this particular setting at the left top corner. So you click on it. So it's here. You will see check limit. So let's check the limit and see. As you can see, maximum wallet balance. They will give you maximum wallet balance, which is 200,007, and 30 days maximum cumulative inflow. That the amount you can transact on this particular app for a month, it's 200,000. So it's amazing. This one is good like this. So if you want to apply for them to increase your limit, so you click on apply. Then you now submit your document. Any document you have, you can submit. Like this, you can make use of this particular wave that we just created now to do some transactions, like 200,000. And 200,000 several is okay for you to start making a lot of money on this particular update. I'm going to show you. Just try your best to watch my next video that I'm going to upload on this channel. So thank you very much. Let me show you. Let me log out from this this one I just created and log in back to my own personal one so that you can see the transaction I've made so far. Boom. So this is my own personal one. So though me, I've already increased my own limit. I submitted my what's it called, international passport for them to increase the limit. So my own limit is 2 million. You can see this is my own limit. We have maximum wallet balance, which is 2 million, and I can do a transaction of 2 million in a day, 2 million server. So I can, and look at the 30 days maximum cumulative, which is 10 million. So that's how it is. Look at all these transactions you see here. It's all the transactions I've made through this wave. So if you want to know how to carry out an arbitrage with this particular app, just stick around, and by tomorrow or next tomorrow I'm gonna upload how you can make use of this app to generate a lot of money for yourself. I started this arbitrage not quite long, like 2 months ago, and up to now the average is still paying a lot. I've made a lot of money with this. So just check my next video so to know how to carry out the arbitrage. Thank you. If you are not subscribed to this channel, subscribe and please turn on the notification so that anytime I upload a new video, YouTube is going to notify you that this viral base has uploaded another new video to watch. You'll be the first one to even notify by YouTube. Thank you very much. See you in my next video. Thank you.